Hello YouTube family, welcome to MATLabs. In this video, I will show you how to upload Arduino Sketch and how to program MIDI driver in Arduino Mega and Arduino Uno boards. So let's get into the video. First of all, open Arduino IDE, paste the code. So whatever you have the MIDI code, just open the code, and mostly this Arduino MIDI program is facing problems with MIDI library. To solve MIDI library problems, go to sketch, include library, go to tools, include library, go to sketch, include library, add zip library, click on this. Before that, you have to download MIDI library from the internet. I will show you how you can download Arduino MIDI library. Just open Google page, type Arduino MIDI library. So click on the first link, and when you see this page, go to the bottom of this page and you can find multiple releases of Arduino MIDI library. Here you can see that 5.0.2, this is the latest one. Click on this and a download prompt will appear. Download this zip library and remember the path, download path. Now navigate to Arduino, go to sketch, include library, add zip library. Okay, here you have to navigate to the downloaded MIDI library. You can see that. So downloads, you can see that here you can see MIDI library 5.0.2. Click on open. Okay, click on open. The MIDI library has been installed. So actually already this my Arduino IDE is included this library, that's why it is throwing an error. So I will show you. Sketch, go to sketch, include library. So under libraries you can see that this is the MIDI library. Okay, you can see that this is the MIDI library. Go to sketch, include library. Here you can see MIDI library here, MIDI library. So like this you have to add MIDI library to your Arduino IDE, then only this MIDI code will compile and execute without any errors. Got it? So you have to download and install, you have to download and include MIDI library to your Arduino library folder, right? So once you have included the Arduino library, click on compile. Meanwhile we need another program called flip to burn MIDI driver into Arduino Mega. So I will paste Arduino MIDI library link in description box, and I will sorry for this, I can't post or I can't paste code in the description boxes. So if you want code, please WhatsApp me. I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description. Right, this is the flip tool from Atmel. By using this Atmel flip, we can burn MIDI driver into Arduino Mega. So note that our Arduino Mega is having serial driver or serial device configuration by default. So now we can burn MIDI firmware, MIDI driver by using this Atmel flip tool, right? Mm, Once this compilation is completed, it is taking some time to compile the code. So meanwhile we can see some more stuff. So if you have Arduino Uno board, note that only revision 3 boards will undergo to DFU, and I mean device firmware update mode, DFU, device firmware update mode. Only revision 3 boards can handle DFU mode. Okay, the older boards which are not uh, after revision 3, older boards before R3 uh, cannot be used for DFU modes. Okay, kindly note this point. uh, so you can see that here the Uno board is highlighted 2 pins here. You can see that let me show you some more clearly. You can see that so now I will highlight the 2 pins. Hope you uh, got the 2 pins which needs to be shorted. Okay, these 2 pins needs to be shorted when the board is connected. Next, if we same with the Arduino Mega also. So in this is the Arduino Mega board, and note that this is also revision 3 board, and here we can see the 2 pins here. Please follow the cursor. You can see 2 pins here. You can see the 2 pins here. We have to short these 2 pins when the board is connected to your PC, right? Let us go back to Arduino IDE. So I think it is not compiled yet. It started again. Okay, it is compiling. We can see the status bar here. So still, if you have any doubts, please get back to the video and watch it carefully from the starting. Still, if you have any doubts, please comment. I will reach out to you very soon, and I will respond very quickly, instantly. So please do not hesitate to comment your doubts in the comment box. Right, we can see that the code has been compiled, and it shows a message called done compiling. we can see that done compiling. Next, please wait, I will connect my Arduino board to the PC. So to make it some more clear, I will open the device manager and show you the actions. Right, I'm connecting the Arduino board to the PC. Let me open device manager. So you can see the device manager here. Now I have expanded sound, video and game controllers. Under sound, video and game controllers, there is no MIDI device listed here. I am connecting my Arduino board right now. You can see that the device manager is refreshed and it came up with a device called Arduino MIDI. Hope you got the point. The device manager, the PC is equipped with, connected with Arduino MIDI device. Now I will show you how to uh, burn this MIDI firmware into Arduino board. Sorry for this. Now I am doing nothing but shorting the two pins which I have shown previously. The two buttons, reset and ground buttons, needs to be shorted. I am shorting the two buttons. I'm saying you that when I touch these two pins, the Arduino MIDI device is disconnected and disappeared from the sound, video and game controllers here, and then listed as Atmega 16 U2 device. I have touched the two pins. I have touched the two pins. Here you can see the new category libUSB Win32 devices. Under this Atmega 16 U2, which is nothing but this IC. It is nothing but this IC. This is the IC. Literally, this is a driver which communicates the data from this port to this processor. So by default, this IC is having serial firmware. Now we are upgrading this IC with MIDI firmware to make the commands from the processor to this port as MIDI. Right? Hope you got the point. Now Atmega 16 U2, and now open flip tool, go to file. Now the Atmega 16 U2 is having MIDI firmware. Okay, MIDI firmware. So note this point also, as this IC is having MIDI firmware right now, it can't be used for programming with Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE cannot burn or cannot upload code when this IC is having MIDI firmware. So now we need to reburn serial firmware into this device. Then only Arduino IDE can handle or can upload the serial sketches from Arduino IDE. Now go to flip file, click on file, go to recent files, okay, go to load. Now we need to burn serial data. Now we can see that here is USB serial Mega 16U2, Arduino USB serial at Mega 2560 revision 3 hex, and Arduino MIDI hex. Okay, we now we are having revision 3 board. Select revision 3 hex file, click OK, and click on this USB icon, click on USB, click on open. Something went wrong. Let me check back again. Let me disconnect and reconnect again. I have disconnected and reconnected again. I will show you. This is at Mega 16 U2, right? Here load. Could not open. Okay. Okay, I will reopen that flip tool. I can't figure out what happening. Okay, the device manager is hanged somewhere and it is not updated yet, so that's why it is not able to open the port. Let us wait for the system response. I thought the video is very lengthy but worthy, so don't skip and get confused. So please stay tuned, please be patient, then you can program or you can upgrade your firmware easily. So if you skip, you can't understand anything. If you skip, you get confused. I think the device manager is hanged. Okay, it seems my PC hanged and it is not responding. Even the task manager also not opening. So here we cannot find device manager. Sorry for the inconvenience, please be patient. even it is not closing. Mm, let me open another device manager. Let us check even that works. Yes, we have another device manager here. uh, Leave that old device manager. Here you can see that at Mega 16 U2, go to flip tool. Where is flip tool? Let me open flip tool again. Go to flip tool, open it. Okay, this is the flip tool. Go to file, load, select revision 3 hex file, Arduino Mega revision 3 hex file. Okay, click on USB icon, USB, open. Could not open USB device. So it's irritating. Okay, I will try restarting the PC and come back again. So please stay tuned.